My name is Henry. Here is my presentation for you Sport Junior 1-2. Big is never last long. Happy is glad, not sad. Fast is quirky, not slow. Rich is really not poor. Kind is nice, not bad. A basketball is small, orange, round. An elephant is big, purple, round. A block is small, gray, rectangular. A pyramid is big, yellow, triangle. A book is thick, blue, rectangular. I walk slowly. I dance turkey. I cry readily. I sing quickly. I yell beautifully. You sing like a bird. You sleep like a dolphin. You run like a cheetah. You jump like a bird. You hurry like a turtle player. You sleep like a bear. You dive like a penguin. You eat like a horse. Thank you.